We guide you through how to remove recommended videos and channels from YouTube. So the first thing you need to do is to open your YouTube app or go to the website and make sure you are logged in into your account. Then start by going to your home feed where you usually see recommended videos. Find the video or channel you don't like, tap the three dots beside the video title and select Not Interested. To remove similar content, if you want to be more specific, choose Don't Recommend Channel so YouTube will stop showing video from that creator completely. Repeat this process for multiple videos to train the algorithm faster. Next, go to your YouTube history by tapping your profile icon, then your data in YouTube or history, and clear or pause your watch history to reset recommendations. You can also turn off search history for better control. And finally, scroll carefully and avoid clicking videos you don't like because every click affects your feed.